Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about P-18 aircraft. Now Indian Navy's P-81 aircraft participates in exercise Kakadu. A P-81 long-range maritime patrol aircraft of the Indian Navy participated in the multinational maritime exercise Kakadu 2022 hosted by Royal Australian Navy in Darwin from 12th to 25th September 22 along with INS Satpura. The exercise had the participation of 34 aircraft from over 20 nations. The maiden participation of P-18 provided an enhanced exposure to the air crew, augmenting the understanding of the varied nuances of the collaborative anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare operations in a complex multi-threat scenario. The seamless operation conducted by P-81 in consonance with the exercise theme partnership, leadership, friendship, along with USN and RAAF P-8s enabled refining joint SOPs and enhanced interoperability and reaffirm Indian Navy's commitment to the Indo-Pacific. Thank you.